There.
Sad note, not there. No, I'm just hungry. I'm just.
Let me come all your ear, your head, please, and thanks.
That's what
I'm curious enough because I don't know where she carried me now to where, but to do what?
I never asked for this. My mother just give me this in a while.
Welcome back to the vlog, guys. What's up? So right now I'm about to make a stop. I'm at the ATM. I just left the gym, you know, got fresh, all that good stuff, and I have some packages to pick up and something which kind of take me out of my schedule because, you know, I don't even time to pick them up yet. So I kind of do some stuff I need to do, kill off the time for collect them there before I go home because I need to get straight to getting ready because you know, I'm gonna have a little dinner day with Mitty and Michaela, as I mentioned in my previous vlog. You know, link up, quick little link up and stuff. We might do the club after dinner, I'm not sure, maybe not. It all depends on, you know, what everybody needs to do afterwards. But yeah, so I need to go home and, you know, put on my wig and stuff like that.
Holy Father, screaming my Lady Gaga. She can be in my feelings, I'll be harder. For this God in my feet and Father. Holy Father, screaming my Lady Gaga. She can be in my feelings, I'll be harder. For this.
So I'm on my way home. Yeah, I do love Afrobeats. I actually do. I don't think I've shared that with you guys enough, but I do love Afrobeats. It's just a vibe. But I'm on my way home. Try to reach home in a good time because I need to get ready. Got my packages. I'm gonna get everything I'm supposed to get, but at least I get some, so not too bad. My battery won't change. But yeah, so I'm just checking in back with you guys. Yeah, so when we reach home and settled and probably get ready and stuff, I come back. Guys, I reach late. Like, I reach literally like 25 minutes late, but them reach before me, so them keep a table. Like, I don't know what time to start now for me. Finally, after the last time we did this was last year. Which month last year? Like, is it 1 year ago? Was it like April? Yes. Was it this time last year? I don't remember. But it was a long time. It was definitely before, yes. Yeah. It's definitely before summertime.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow. Long time. Long time.
Let's try the crispy teriyaki chicken. I have fried rice.
Yeah, long time I didn't see her. Michaela. Them reach before me now. So we just ordered, so we're waiting. So we're just gonna catch up. I don't know, I'm not really vlog. I never bring my camera inside. So yeah, I'm just checking in with you guys. I'll clip of like my outfit of the night.
The next day.
Look, studios. Guys, don't ask, okay? Alright, my feel sleepy still, and I feel like I just want for like my eye, you know that feeling the way you feel like you don't get enough sleep and your eye kind of just a squint. So I just put on my glasses, because you guys know I wear glasses, right? Test glasses, yes. So for just help me see like a clearer. Yeah. So anyways, right now, remember in the last vlog we weren't able to like go and do our gift shopping because, you know, mommy didn't end up come with the body road or something. So right now that's what we're on the road for. Gift shopping will come out earlier than we normally would. My nala, I reach home like to 3 this morning. Someone asleep. Last night was cool though, it was fun, it was good catching up with Mitty and Michaela. It was a nice little vibe. Enjoy that. Look pan traffic. But yeah, so that was a vibe. Why it look like it's raining over there, sir?
Yeah, it look like grenadier.
Dang, no rain fire. I don't cause when you patch it. So yeah, this is the same vlog when I go to Mother's Day. So want to go buy a gift. I'm thinking about doing a massage. It's like a complete day, you know. So what I have to do, make sure you get like a full intense body massage, you know, body care, and then gonna give her our presents, and we're gonna go dinner in the evening, you know. Nice simple vibe. Listen, one thing about we still on a Mother's Day alone, we treat mommy like, I feel like we treat her all year round, and that's how it's supposed to go. Like, if you truly care about somebody, you know. But you know, extra upon that day, just say, you know, she knows, say, oh, you're there.
Sad note, nothing wrong with me. I'm just hungry. I never sleep good, and I just nothing happen.
Oh my gosh. But guys, never sleep good enough, but you want to catch we, what them drop on? You want to catch we like 4 o'clock?
A chat.
We just a chat, like no sleep, no care. My ear when that happen. Like if you like chat, me can't wake up that time, man. But I'm not ready for sleep right now. Like we were just talking up a storm. It's crazy. And so there, you know, tired. But yeah. So well, just that we're going to do now. I was thinking that I would love a foot massage, like during the time when Mommy gets her massage, but I don't know. Maybe I just let her do her massage thing. She's trying to decide if she wants to, you know, if she want me to apply a wig, or she just wants to rock her natural hair, you know, or whatever. And I don't know, so she'll get glamour ready or whatever. So that is not even a question. Should it even be? Oh, by the way, I need to address everybody that suggested a name for my vlogathon for June. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, one of the first suggestions I saw was Summerthon. Yes, Summerthon. And I was like, yes, this is nice. But then I saw a suggestion say Sumerthon. A Sumerthon or Sumerathon? Sumerthon, right. And I thought that's so unique, and that's like, it's specifically me. Like, you hear the Sue, you know, it's definitely my vlogathon, you know? And I'm not generic. I feel like I'm gonna go with Sumerthon, and Chami likes it. So I think it's a go. Right now I'm just planning how I want the whole month to go out, and I'm so when I say no, touched by how much you guys actually care and consider it. Like, I saw where people were like, yo, Sue, I know you work hard for Vlogmas and you're busy throughout your daily life, so yo, even if every other day, we don't mind, but the majority is definitely up for every day. I really push for every day still. When you don't know me, when I say this. So yeah. I hope you guys stay tuned. Make sure to turn on the post notification bell on so that you're notified. And share the channel, share the vlogs, get the word out there. You know, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe, and just stay tuned, because I don't know say when I upload I don't know, I'm boring. Yeah, so that's the vibe. And for this vlog, that's the vibe. That's pretty much a vibe this whole weekend, Mother's Day kind of vibe. And I saw where somebody said on the last vlog, they commented that I never even wish the teacher them happy Teachers Day. Oh my gosh, I don't know how it slipped me, but happy belated Teachers Day. I don't know how it slipped me. Like, it was just like a lot going on. But yeah, so we're heading directly to this location now. Hopefully it not full. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Jamaica it's bad. Like, I don't know. When you see how bright and pretty out here?
It feels bright and pretty too. I'm feeling very bright and pretty, my skin.
So we decided to, alright, I want to check out the spot here. So we're at Pegasus because I'm going to drink here too, but Honestly, I don't want to go drink here because I don't like their customer service. Them customer service can be a little bit. The last time I went, it's like them never did one. I don't know. I don't know. And I feel like some stuff needs some work. I go around there now, but you know, I feel like I want to do something a little bit more. I came to the bar here a while back, and it was a cool experience. So I said, let me see if we can get to book a full body for her hair. Oh, and we got the gift, so that's good. So
only father, I'm screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings. I be harder for this girl in my feeling. Only father, my only father. Can't deny your body got squeezing. Your ex-man them a wishing. Both of you want to believe in. Who put on you with a leasing? Pretty girl is a mystery. Yeah, me own and for your blessing. Cause many man them for your lady. Only father, I'm screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings. I be harder for this girl in my feeling. Only father, my only father.
I just want to book a full body, a nice full body treatment for my mother. What do you recommend? I want something just nice. I feel like mid, not too calming, a little bit intense.
Deep, which is 120, and we have Feather Light, which is $90.
Okay.
It's a little pressure, but not that much, because not everybody likes intense pressure.
Oh, so the deep is very intense.
Yes.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
So this is full body.
Okay.
So the preparation mission is complete. So everything we was set out to actually achieve. So spa day. Then you beat your head some mama. Then we got her gift, and we'll have a Mother's Day dinner. Because so we're actually going to go to the Coppers for the second time, which we chose comfortably because the first time the food was good and the ambience is nice. So it's alright, let's go there. And they might have a whole Mother's Day. They might have a whole Mother's Day menu and like set up, because it's like they have different slots for dinner tomorrow. So we chose the 5:30 slot. So I guess I might do it strategic. So we only can get it from 5:30 till like 8 p.m. Sorry. At first me hear something like that because the lady said for every time where you choose for like make a reservation, I guess they did it like 3 hours at a time. So she said 5:30 our time, but we have to leave by 8 o'clock. Me never hear no go so yet. That was hilarious to me, but yeah, them have a set menu, that's why. There's a set menu for tomorrow.
Last Mother's Day we got and no.
Hey, last Mother's Day was atrocious.
I paid a hefty bill still.
Oh my god. That restaurant they locked down now. I don't know if it locked down, but the location I see it just like destroyed. I guess I don't know if they are refurbished or what. But yeah. If you watch a vlog, you'll know I'm not gonna mention them names. But the service was so bad. But yeah, so now I'm gonna get some food for eat because we only have a tea and green juice so far. So I get something in our system. Figure out what. So we got pea soup. How is it? Yeah, it does look a little thin. So oh, this is nice. It's really hot. Could have been a little thicker, but you can't go on. I'm getting some wings. You're too excited for it. Well, this is the right thing. So we just rubbing on this. Alright guys, so now we're coming up Fontana because we need like an extra bag to put the gift in, even though it come in a bag. So yeah, we're here looking.
Yeah, I got it.
Not too small.
This too small?
Yeah, the same size basically. How come them not have no big? Oh, see no bag. I said them done the big bag one. Yeah, that can work. Hopefully it's not too short.
It is well with my soul. What that mean?
What is that? No one that.
Name it down there. Live life full bloom. It's very ambiguous.
It's what it say? Live life for?
Full bloom.
Okay. Yeah, this will work. Yeah. Oh, I'm trying to try out this sea moss, guys. I've been meaning to try it. I've never really tried it before. So them have sea moss. It was in the fridge, so them I can put it in like shakes and stuff. So I'll try it out. I'll try it out. Oh, yo, one thing we run is that the place will pack. I run is empty. That's so nice. No. Alright, so get what we need in here. We're done with the road for right now.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar jag. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger är min tid. Jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa.
Right? Black hair make you look so beautiful. And
This is one
a lot of female have it twisted that it make them look mean.
That's one. Black hair fit, especially black ear.
Yeah, long time I don't do jet black ear.
Yeah, black ear, black.
I should do
Let me see that one number here. Probably black,
1D.
black.
This is 1D.
1D.
Yeah, it's not jet black. Mommy, come one ear. Your head, please, and thanks.
That's what we're
De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig.
Guys, ultimately, yes, I changed my wig. I'm loving this wig too. It's a curly bob ombre, as you can see. But right now it not looks so righteous, but it's real nice. It's real nice. I'm gonna style it up tomorrow. I'm gonna tell you what time. I'm gonna show them. You can see 11:07. Yeah, 11:07 at night, and I'm drinking some tea. And yeah, the night time I'm hot. Have to be turning on the AC way too much. JPS not play. But yeah, right, I'm just have a see them I go you know, take a shower and stuff. I'm just saying, you know, let me check back in with you guys. Oh, you guys saw when I was styling mommy hair. She really loves it. That's what she wanted. She told me the hairstyle what she wants, and everything. So I don't know that, yeah, this is basically the vibe of this vlog. Tomorrow is, you know, glow up day for her, pamper day for her, you know, just some extra and I'm excited, you know, just I mean, it's nothing too extravagant, but you know, I don't know, I love them little something here. So yeah, have to wake up early in the morning. Now I look forward to that. Because the spa was really nice to accommodate me. They never really have no slot like that left. No early slot or the late slot time. I couldn't manage to go them time in the afternoon. And I really wanted to give her a spa day, you know. So I really want to give her a spa day, so the president left it in her car. Sometimes she really don't want to, like, she want to keep that party, you know, them something a little bit more intimate. I don't know if she gonna want to show it by him or whatever, but you know, we got her a gift, so that's in the car, just to keep it on a low key. And yeah, so that's that. In the morning, we'll give that to her before, or maybe when she come back from the spa, we'll give it to her. Yeah. After, yeah, and then I actually have a quick makeup application to do in the afternoon, so I'm gonna do that and stuff, and I have all our face to do for dinner in the evening. So tomorrow is a nice glow up day. I'm looking forward to it. It's just, you know, nice chill day, glow up day. This vlog is basically a, you know, a vlog about the girls. A vlog about the girls, okay? Started out with me hanging out with Mitzi and Michaela, and then, you know, it's all about pampering mommy in the end. So yeah, I love that. I love that. I need to go and look for my outfit for see what I wear for tomorrow. I'm really terrible at that, you know, like, okay, so I always like have so many clothes, right? And then I don't know why when it comes to time for go out, sometimes it's like I can't find clothes. I can't remember where I put them, and I feel like I have so much more space. It's like I just can't remember which one put it something in my room, and I'm going away. I book up on the clothes thing, like so annoying. Like even last night when I went out, I never wear initially, you know. I was just frustrated because I did not have much time. I'm just take up something and it looked so boring and basic, and I was like, yeah, no, that was just not me. So, you know, I have to just look for something else real quick, because I know that, you know, recently I'm coming with the hauls, by the way, but just stay tuned to Summerthon. Okay, Summerthon is going to be a vibe. It's going to be a vibe. Tell everybody if you come over here for Summerthon. I'm so excited. I mean, I'm gonna have a cute little intro and everything, so I'm so excited about that. I'm looking forward to it, because I feel like, you know, when them took me, I want to, you know, the best. That's how me feel. Me feel like when I watch certain content, I just want, not saying that you have to go above and beyond for like everything, but I feel like just put your best foot forward, you know. It make you feel better at the end of the day. I just need that. So yeah, yeah, so I need to go look for what I wear tomorrow. I'm not go too hard. It's all about mommy. So I'm done with the rambling right here, and I guess you guys will catch up back with me in the morning in the next clip when we are on our way to this. It's actually Mother's Day now, so we are we're basically at the first stop of the day. So yeah, I'm wrap up my ear, because I don't like when the clip them expose, you know. That just look tacky. Big so
But you listen now, because I don't know where she carried me now to wear, but to do what?
right?
Alrighty, let me see.
Alright, we're going to the parking lot.
Them girls always have some surprise for me. which I'm most grateful. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, full man. What
Very
the fuck,
full.
oh, yesterday, it was so hard for us to find parking around us, and a big parking like this.
Oh, the people
Big
that
enough.
book out the hotel.
Yeah, the hotel full. I don't know. Them say all of the hotel them on the island book out, you know. Most of them.
But after.
Most of them book out.
Remember last year them have to lock up.
True. Oh, so
And I
parking
could
here.
them all about. In the yard, them.
First outfit of the day. Skirt slipper, simple white dress.
Yeah.
Yeah. Simple. Must see this? Come. Everything feels security mirror. Yeah, so what the way? Watch your step. Watch your step. Guys, it's actually like after 9 now. Wake up from 8 o'clock. And something, I'm gonna really fall asleep till like 5 o'clock, you know, because I said I couldn't fall asleep. Like, I just have to come and know I have to wake up early. Yes. I just went inside. You know, she gone inside, so I'm not gonna really video or whatever. I'm not gonna camera in the evening. But I'm gonna eat now from morning, you know. I have little leftover soup on my way when I come, I did warm it up, but I never much, so I'm gonna check out the cafe upstairs. Guys, my sleeps everywhere. Oh no, I'm gonna check out what them have though. Can probably buy something for mommy when them, because we never make breakfast or nothing. So today is not that kind of day. Now going in the kitchen on a fireside. It's all about treating. I got a cafe latte. I ended up missing a cafe latte. I never wanted to show me. I was going to go with a cappuccino, but the cappuccino full of too much foam, so I ended up getting a latte instead. Lord God, I'm so excited to drink it. My bond it on my tongue. So I'm waiting on my bagels, my breakfast bagels. So yeah. That's not bad. I guess when Mama finish her massage, I can buy her one. You know, I'm going to buy it if I top one by the time she finish. So I just have a breakfast bagel just because I need something in my system and it's too late for not have nothing in my system right now. And I know how tired I am, so probably when I reach home back, I'm gonna take a nap real quick. But to be honest, I get a bagel in like a 6. Can't go on. But I feel like it's just missing some stuff, like a little bit more flavor, you know. Yeah. Like 20 more minutes. Yo, you know the funny thing? when you're doing massages, like the time so long before you do the massage, you know. But like them say 1 hour you're going in, you do the massage, and by the time it's like you have to lie down the time done. Versus someone like me will wait for the hour. It's like it's taking so long. So how was it? Not too intense. I can't sit down. Oh, so because me that tell her intense, pretty intense, but she said sometimes some people can't manage it. So like rough. To me, no, me like to feel it intense.
Like feel intense. But one time they feel like she got to
soft. Yeah, that means say. It feel like the time run off quick.
Yeah.
When I get the massager, so this time feel shorter, that me that tell him. But when you wait, it feel like forever. Like yeah. So yeah. Because over there, so people go over there selling something. So now I go back home. I'm going to buy one breakfast, baby, for you. Happy Mother's Day again.
Thank you very much. Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
I must make you ask me here. Just give life for that while. I never asked for this. I'm gonna just give this for that while. Barney said, baby.
I'm all done with getting ready. I'm just do something simple. Yeah, something simple with my makeup. But I love the hair, you know. I wanted to keep like that volume curly look. Honestly, my main outfit of the evening. All we done get ready. We're about to head out, you know, we're on time. Take a little time and we get ready or something. So yeah, that's the vibe. Yeah, I did tell them so much enjoy it, right? Obviously, you know, but all finished. So this is Shami's outfit of the evening. She's giving Barbie. Yes.
Don't look how much what them do.
Nobody can't even see a toe from so far. But so this is Mommy's Mother's Day fit. This is too cute. Shout out Atis. Definitely the Atis. Yeah. Yeah. Looking so lovely. I'm just showing my outfit of the evening because we went so simple. So simple, super simple, just a splash of color, you know.
me tell them a story. That's how blessings upon me. And that's how I been give him the cup. Breathe, I'm delighted. Jah knows my passion ignited. Got the music me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the flux. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah. Me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I goes for the friends that take off every load. One time they sit down in a class and we pour then police at the road and me go on with the road. Ghost. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I know for the friends that take off every load. One time they sit down in a class and we pour then police at the road and me go on with the road. Ghost. Yeah.
Guys, so back in the car. It was a lovely, nice dinner setting.
Yeah.
It was nice. One thing was like, I don't know if you guys saw, but the servings were extremely small. Like basically, come up to like over $30,000. Shami is the only one who get like, Shami got a lot for the least, like, because it's pasta. And it's a special menu today. This is not like the regular menu. So,
Because we did come,
you remember when he come already? Yeah, and it was, guys. So it's a whole new day, right? And I decided that, you know, I'm gonna end the vlog off. I never end it off or anything. It's really bleak outside now, but yeah, I'm home from the gym, right? I never did really take on the gym with me today, but listen. Right when me say, alright, finish her, gave me a new kind of, him get a new, like a bar thingy, like how you have the monkey bar thing at the gym. I'm say, alright, so try a fight. So I do my regular pull up on it and something, right? And then him say, go cross. Now this is the first time I'm gonna do this. The first time. And but then when I could have feel the fear. Like usually, like I just tell myself that I can't do it, and I do my, oh, my earring there. I just realize I'm not see my earring. I went there. I forgot to look feet. But yeah, so I say, may I go cross?
Yeah. Take your time, same way. Yeah. Don't swing, control the swing. Yeah. Yeah. Steady.
I don't know, maybe I do the pull up first. Like midway, but just drop off at the bar. Drop right. Because when I went up on the thing, you know, like, I look at me and see the distance from the bar to the ground. I'm going to say, Jano, my shot. I'm going to say, Jano, if I'm dropping now, I want to drop that. I feel like I'm actually go up there, go drop. Jano, sir. Just laugh it up. Listen, you see when I drop a ground? And the fastest me ever fly up. The fastest. Yo, the thing is, I did all that video, so I end up getting that video there. I never fall on my, like, it looks like I'm falling in a split, but never fall in a split. Thankfully, I landed like in a perfect sitting position. I just threw the video cut this, so, but I landed in a perfect sitting position. And as soon as, like, when I land in a way where my palm was down like this, so like I bounced right off my bottom. Like me no feel no pain. Yes, so now my back is not affected at all. It's my hand. So where I really put the pressure on was right here. Here, so tender now, but it's not bad or anything. I'm gonna take some painkiller or whatever. Really and truly, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm good. I know everybody concerned because I posted it on my Instagram. If you guys follow me, you should post it on my page, because I'm like, you know, sometimes you have to take bad things, make laugh, and you know, at least I never know worse. It's all, you know, in the whole gym lifestyle thing, it happens. And I really wanted to show it too, because a lot of time when people like, when I go to the gym and I say, oh, John was so strong, so can't do this, so can't do anything, and it's like, my down days just like anybody else, you know, like, I mean, I always have it all figured out. Like, it's not perfect. Like, you know, all I will feel is just, oh, yeah, go bounce back, and trust me, I'm gonna try to it again. It's just like next time, I'm gonna be more focused, because it was just a mental thing why I'm asleep, honestly and truly, and then nothing else, because I already saw myself falling before I even started. But that was funny. That was funny. I'm just happy it wasn't, you know, worse. But yeah, so I'm good. I know you guys are gonna be so concerned, but I'm good. I'm perfect, okay? But basically, me just come back for close out the vlog still, and thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned. Right now I'm about to go and make an install a wig properly, you know, because I got some stuff to do tomorrow, so I'm just gonna take my little time and do that. And I have to edit this vlog. I haven't started to edit this as yet, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you again. Don't forget to subscribe, share the vlog, like the vlog, leave your comments down below. And remember, say next month now go normal, because Summerthon, that's the official name. Shout out again to everybody that participated in suggesting a name. Shout out to you guys. I'm so appreciative. So you don't know, say Summerthon is right this June. The entire month of June is lit. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, just want to go with yourself.
She got me in my feelings. I be harder. For this girl in my feeling. Only father, my only father.